Hey, under red sky, drum talk we ride. Hey, yeah. Bamboo sings hot steps in time. Oh, yeah. Slow fire glow, feed it that flow. Oh, yeah. Highland's cold, we answer once more. Kiss the mist at dawn, bare feet on the path where the streams run strong. Grandmother's song in the rust of the gone, every beat in my chest where the spirits belong. Palm one circle, stories pass like the flame. Oh, God's listening every time we say their name. Buffalo shadow in the dance of the rain, weaving all our memories in the dirt and the grain. Voices rise low from the mountain spine. We wrap our lives in the firelight shine. Highland roots in the new drum line. Motorbikes hum on the road below, but up on the hill it's the gong that flows. Mix soul word chants with a new beat flow. Dre tongue flipping on the bass so low. Round from the fields and the rice we sow, from the burn of the sun to the moonlight glow. Carved on the skin like the scars we show, every line a path where the young ones grow. Night falls deep, but the drum keeps time. Voices rise low from the mountain spine. We wrap our lives in the firelight shine. Highland roots in the new drum line. Call out, hear the house reply. Floorboard shake with the stomp and the cry. Deep voice, deep earth, rumble in our chest. Old song, new verse, never let it rest. Cavern in the night where the echoes ring, baritone low with the jaw harp sing. Gore drum heartbeat under every word, carry on the names that you never have heard. Bamboo clack sync with the kick so fat, kids laugh hard where the fire pit's at. Dre rap chant in the smoky air, past and the future in a single prayer. Falls deep, but the drum keeps time. Voices rise low from the mountain spine. We wrap our lives in the firelight shine.